More than 52,000 fans were at the Philippine Arena for the opener of the 40th season of the PBA. PBA's attendance in the Philippine Arena is by far the largest attendance in the league's 40-year history. The previous record is 24,883 during the Game 7 Philippine Cup semifinals between the Sanmig Super Coffee Mixers, now the Pure Food Star Hot Shots, and the Barangay Ginebra San Miguel in 2013, which was held at the Araneta Coliseum. Fans screamed when they saw boxing champ Manny Pacquiao, the playing coach of the Kia Sorrento, not only graced the event but played in the opening game against the Blackwater Elite.
Nagpapasalamat ako ng malaki sa mga tao sa mainit na pagsalubong sa amin dito. At it's an honor na makapaglaro dito sa pinakamalaking arena ng Pilipinas. As a coach, gagawin natin ang kaya natin para ma-share natin sa players at manalo sa game na ito. Yun ang pinaplano natin mangyari dito sa Pilipinas dahil pwede na tayo mag-host ng malaking event like World Championship fight. So, okay na ito.
Oo, kasi diba, kukulangin pa ba ito? 55,000 na seats?
Enough na ito. Maganda ito. At napakalaki nga eh.
The event was also a family affair where members can bond with each other. Barangay Ginebra won over talk and text.
Masaya pa rin, panalo pa rin kami. Karating kami rito sa Philippine Arena. Global Brother!
Meanwhile, Coach Manny Pacquiao's team, Kia Sorrento, won over the Blackwater Elite. Supporters of Blackwater team were happy with the game despite the loss.
Galing! Nebra, number 1!
Galing ni JJ!
Nebra, kaniwa! I love you, Nebra!
Nag-enjoy kami at napakaganda ng place. Very comfortable. We are curious to see the place.
Die-hard fans! Galing pa kami Bataan! From Bataan, Balanga!